Okay, this is a Penncrest badged Japanese machine. It's baby blue and white two-tone. It's a basic straight zigzag machine with creative embroidery option. Bobbin winder on the wheel, 3-level feed dogs, and it is a tall shank machine. And actually, it looks like I've put my zigzag foot away and forgot to put it back on. So I'll fix that in a minute. Class 15 bobbins, 15 by 1 needles. Very simple to use. I do not have an instruction manual for this model. If I find one, I'll put the download link on the listing. Cosmetically, it's decent. It has a ding here on the front, a couple little dings here and there, but it's not in bad shape. It will fit in any Singer cabinet or carrying case, or it is tabletop ready. Easy functions. This is your stitch width, and it locks in place using these. This is your stitch length, and your feed dog drop here, and this is your reverse also up to the top. Comes with a couple tall shank feet, a zipper foot, a cording foot, and some bobbins. I'm going to show you how it sews. It's in nice working condition. It's serviced and ready to go. I'll find my zigzag foot and put it back on here. Testing the feet and forgot to put it back on. Alright. As I said, it does use 15 by 1 needles and 15 bobbins. There's no light. No built-in light on this machine. It's one cord for the motor and that's it. Very smooth working machine. I believe it's a 1-amp motor. Nice for basic heavy-duty projects. You don't need anything simple. Zigzag. And of course your creative embroidery is created by leaving your width and widening out as you sew. Heavy machine. It's not light, it is all metal. Nice stitches. 6 layers of denim just to show you. It'll do heavier stuff. Using a size 16 needle. Great job. Nice little basic machine. Nothing fancy, therefore that nice little basic price too. It's a Penncrest ZIGZAG all metal sewing machine, model 5000.